What if I told you there's a YouTube niche that almost nobody is talking about, yet it's quietly generating thousands of views and thousands of dollars for creators who never appear on camera? Take a look at these channels. They aren't using flashy editing, expensive cameras, or huge production teams. They're simply publishing documentary-style videos, and the results speak for themselves. Some videos have crossed 1 million views, and they're making up to $30,000, while newer channels have gained tens of thousands of subscribers after uploading only a handful of videos. Today, I'll show you the exact workflow I use to turn a simple idea into a complete documentary video using AI. We'll cover everything, from finding viral topics and writing the script to generating cinematic visuals, creating a professional voiceover, putting everything together into a finished video and export. But there's one mistake almost every beginner makes. I'll explain exactly how to avoid that before the end of this video. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Find a topic people already want to watch. Head over to the master prompt file. The link is in the video description below. Copy exactly all the prompt in the file. It's a little bit long, but copy it all and then open ChatGPT and paste in the prompt you copied and then click generate. ChatGPT instantly hands you 10 video ideas for this niche. Don't copy someone else's video. Instead, look for the video that's attracting viewers and create your own version with a unique title, fresh information, and your own storytelling style. Once you find a topic that stands out, you're ready for the next step, building the script. I will choose the first topic, copy the topic, and paste it back to ChatGPT and click generate. ChatGPT will go ahead to ask you how long you want your script. 8, 15, even 30 minutes. For this tutorial, I will choose 8 minutes, and just like that, ChatGPT writes a full script from start to finish. Read through the script and make small edits so it sounds natural and matches your style. A few personal touches make your videos feel much more authentic. Once you are happy with your script, go back to the prompt file and copy the video prompt from beginning to end, then paste it in ChatGPT and hit generate. Here's where everything starts coming together. ChatGPT will ask you to provide a script. Now scroll to the script ChatGPT generated, copy the entire script you just created and paste it into the chat. ChatGPT will now transform every section of your narration into detailed visual prompts. Each paragraph becomes its own scene. No image generation or image prompt. This makes the entire production process much faster and keeps every visual connected to your narration. Review the prompts, regenerate any weak ones, and continue until you're happy with the results. Once those prompts are finished, it's time to create the video clips. Open Flow AI and create a new project. Copy the first visual prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose the OmniFlash model, set the duration to 10 seconds, and then click generate. While the first scene is rendering, copy the next prompt and continue generating additional scenes. Repeat this process until every section of your documentary has a matching video clip. Now, the videos are done rendering. The results are surprisingly cinematic. The environments, architecture, characters, clothing, and atmosphere all match the historical setting, helping the story feel much more immersive. If you're using the free version of Flow AI, you'll probably run into daily generation limits. That's completely normal. You can simply continue later or use another account to finish the remaining scenes. Keep working through the prompts until every part of your documentary has been visualized. Next, let's create the narration. Open DubDub AI and choose the text-to-speech feature. Copy your documentary script from ChatGPT and paste it into the editor. Browse through the available AI voices and select one that fits the tone of a historical documentary. A calm, confident narrator usually works best. Once you're satisfied, export the audio as an MP3 file and download it. Now it's time to assemble everything. Open your preferred video editing software and import your voiceover together with all of your generated video clips. Place the narration onto the timeline first, since it serves as the foundation for the entire edit. Next, arrange each video clip so it matches the section being narrated. If necessary, trim, extend, or slightly adjust the playback speed to keep everything synchronized. To make the documentary even more engaging, add clean text overlays whenever important names, dates, or locations appear. Finally, include cinematic background music at a low volume. The music should enhance the atmosphere without competing with the narration. Watch the finished project from beginning to end. Fix any timing issues and make sure every scene transitions smoothly. When everything looks polished, export the video in high quality, preferably 4K. Your AI-generated history documentary is now complete and ready to upload to YouTube.
Imagine standing in the greatest city the world had ever seen. A city of more than 1 million people, where marble temples tower over crowded streets, gladiators fight for glory, senators shape the fate of continents, and every road leads to unimaginable wealth or sudden death. This is not the Rome of ruins. This is ancient Rome at the very peak of its power. Today, we're stepping back nearly 2,000 years to walk through the eternal city exactly as its people once knew it. Let's begin.
That wraps up today's tutorial. You now have a complete workflow for turning a simple history idea into a fully AI-produced documentary. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI content creation tutorials.